Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin trend is about to change and going into the bullish direction because we have reached 55K first time since this May, because this was the last time we have seen numbers like this. The second thing I would like to talk about that the Bitcoin ETF rumors came out that probably, there's a great chance that a Bitcoin ETF can be approved in this month on the 18th of October. And the third news is that a yacht fashion retail chain called Pacsun now accepts 11 cryptocurrencies. So they're getting hot in crypto. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the fresh, crispy cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Subscribe, bell button, that's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out, and I'm putting them here on YouTube every weekday. Plus, like this video if you like this kind of content, help YouTube spread these kind of information to other people as well. Check out the links under this video. There's a free course, for instance, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Many useful links you can save money with when you register, for instance, to Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or their Ledger wallet, and so on and so forth. So check them out. And now it's time to look at the market, where we can see Bitcoin going up more than 7% in the last 24 hours. And yes, in a week, 26% up Bitcoin. It's really the one which is performing very well. Now, many altcoins underperform now when we compare it to Bitcoin. Even Ethereum up 6%, and compared to Bitcoin, just 20% in 7 days, but pretty good. Then when we're looking at the true winners of the top 100, we see Phantom 32% up, Shiba Inu continually growing 31% up, Airwave 26%. These are the top three. Then we're looking at the losers. No big losers at all, because we have XDC 4% down, AMP 1.5%, Dogecoin 1.5%. That was it actually, basically. So we are looking pretty good. And yes, let's talk about this kind of trend change, how now we're getting from bearish to bullish. This is at least how it looks like right now. So yes, we had a tough time behind us when we looking at what happened since May, because you do remember we had this kind of China FUD in May, and then we had Elon Musk saying that not accepting Bitcoin anymore when somebody would like to buy a Tesla car with Bitcoin, as he offered that before. All these things pushed down Bitcoin price down to 28,000 around midsummer. And then we had a kind of relief in a way that since mid-July, Bitcoin price started to go up, but then we had a correction again, and prices started to go down in September. We had a red month, but since October had started, as we call it now, October instead of October, we can see that Bitcoin now recaptures 55,000 for the first time since May. And this is definitely a great sign. When you're looking at the chart, this candlestick chart, look, we had since April, basically, because now we talk, what's that? Yeah. What was the top? 14th of April. So since the 14th of April, we have basically a downtrend what has started. And this downtrend was broken now here on the 4th of October. So just a couple of days ago. And now we can see that actually we had a nice candle, which is also very nice to see now. We finally see volume next to it, an increasing volume. So you can see here green and bigger green, bigger green, bigger green. This is definitely good. If you compare, the last time we have seen and experienced something like this was back in July, when we had this also very nice ride up here. And then look, now again, we have seen some volume next to it. This is very, very promising. And well, now we have today this reddish candle, and it can happen that we can retest it, and it doesn't matter. It's still bullish if we would come up, whatever, down here, even retest the 48,000, for instance, and then go up, because we have then lower, higher lows continuously and higher highs when we go up from them. So this is in the package. It can happen. I think no problem with that. But right now, you had these very nice breakouts. And, as I said here, first time in October. So what drives Bitcoin upward movement? So in recent days, Bitcoin price has recovered following comment. For instance, Federal Reserve Chairman Jeremy Powell said that US has no intention of following China in banning cryptocurrency. This was big. Then I talked about yesterday Gary Gensler, where he said that SEC, it's not the one which going to ban Bitcoin or something. Yeah, they said, but Congress can, but at least SEC is off the table. So this is important. And the next news I would like to talk about, it's pretty serious as well. And actually, by the way, here, just another quote from Edward Snowden, not even a quote, but what he's saying, that he was saying that China's latest Bitcoin ban announcement just made Bitcoin stronger. Because the point is, China cannot get even any further now with Bitcoin. Now they have banned it in every single way. I don't know whatever is left, but what is left is left. But like the major things they have done, they out of the announcements. And guess what? Bitcoin recovered. Bitcoin doesn't care. And this is important. And another thing, and this is going to be the next I would like to talk about, is the Bitcoin ETF, which there are rumors that on the 18th of October, a Bitcoin ETF in the US can be approved. Many experts agree that a Bitcoin ETF approval in the US in this year will be the one which would be a big catalyst for Bitcoin and would push up the Bitcoin price. And now the rumors go like this, that on the 18th of October, they believe, many people, that the SEC will approve a Bitcoin ETF. But this is so far a rumor, okay? So it's not announced officially. However, this also bullish and also helps for Bitcoin price to go up. So a Bitcoin ETF, or exchange traded fund, because this is what it's short for, ETF, is an investment product that allows investors to buy a share to represent a digital asset without to actually deal with cryptocurrency themselves. So basically, it's the price of Bitcoin. And at the moment, at least 13 high-profile companies have applied to the SEC, to launch a Bitcoin ETF and are currently awaiting an answer. And ETF experts say it is likely one will, at last, get approved on October the 18th. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is the one currently slated for an October 18 deadline. But this means an SEC may approve a Bitcoin futures ETF and not one that tracks the Bitcoin spot market. Big difference. We don't want, actually, we as who are rather crypto fans, to have a Bitcoin futures ETF, because this is not the real one we are looking for. However, even this one would push up the price. The futures ETFs field under the 40 Act, which Gans loves, are very much alive and likely on schedule. We think 75% chance approved on October, said Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, whatever his name is, on Twitter. So, Kunas, 75%. This is a pretty high. But guys, still, right? We still, this is just a rumor. But many times the rumors are the ones which bring up the price. And this article goes on and on and on. So it's a pretty long one. But the point is here that the Bitcoin ETF is more and more likely to be approved in this year, maybe even this month. And this would definitely help a lot for Bitcoin. Okay, next topic. We're talking about a fashion brand, a retail chain, and they starting using now 11 cryptocurrencies. So I think this is also another way to show how important crypto will be as a use case in the future, and more, companies accept Bitcoin, more shops you can use cryptocurrencies in general. It will actually increase the demand for crypto. So let's talk about it. So we have another company, and this time it is a fashion retail chain. Pacsun now accepts 11 cryptocurrencies. So on October the 5th, the yacht fashion and retail brand Pacsun announced the company is now accepting cryptocurrencies with BitPay payment services. Pacsun says the company has a yachtful audience, that it's very tech-oriented, and the firm has seen an increased desire towards cryptocurrency. So they're watching what their customers want. The American retail clothing brand Pacific Sunwear of California, LLC, otherwise known as Pacsun, is now supporting crypto assets acceptance. Founded in 1982, Pacsun has roughly 400 stores in all 50 states and in Puerto Rico. So actually, we're talking about over 400 stores and all around the United States. The company has partnered with crypto payment firm BitPay and disclosed it will accept 11 cryptocurrency assets, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Wrapped Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. 5 different stable coins, which are pegged to the US dollar, and they also will be accepted by Pacsun. And they're saying that Pacsun sees an increased desire towards cryptocurrency. Fashion chain believes it is critical to keep with lifestyle trends. And yes, this is true, especially for a brand which serves young people who are actually really very much interested in cryptocurrencies and this whole new tech world. Yes, I think it's a clever move. And guys, the reason why I'm bringing you this kind of news who is now accepting Bitcoin, which company, what way, because to show you that this is an increasing number, and we will get to the stage when so many places accept crypto as a payment, then even more will join the game. And this will bring up the crypto market. This will bring up the crypto prices, the use case, because the most important, put it this way, everyday, average Joe can use crypto. And if everybody can, and it's kind of easy, it's user friendly, then they probably will. And this is how new tech will be, accepted by many industries and by the people. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain news, and if you would like to receive them every weekday, because I keep you up to date. This is my mission here with this channel. So tomorrow, see you again. Have a good one. Bye-bye.